ما أريد من هذا الشعب إلا أن يزيد في الحمد والشكر إلى الله عز وجل، ويزيد من محبة الوطن، ويزيد من العمل ومضاعفة العمل لما يسعى فيه من خير له وللدولة والأهل. هذا اللي أنا أدوره من الشعب، وربنا إن شاء الله يوفقنا جميعا على ما يحب ويرضى.
As my heartfelt gratitude to the Dubai rulers and the UAE rulers, the way they are supporting this country, and like me, many people have dreams to fulfill, and they are making our dreams to come reality.
Welcome to Pearls of Union, our dear audience, the program which shed light success wherever it shines, and the favorite platform for all the professional talent who make the difference and shape the future of the United Arab Emirates. Today it's our honor to host Mr. Naveen Bugulu, the founder and the CEO of ADEQUATE Risk Management Company. How are you, Mr. Naveen?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you too much, and thank you also for accepting our invitations and allow to our team to come today and have this is very good interview with you.
It's a privilege and pleasure from my side. Thank you for Sama, Alain and Huraya for coming here.
So in the beginning of our interview, Mr. Naveen, we would like to ask you to introduce yourself to our audience and give them a brief about your knowledge as well as your experience.
Thank you, Huraya, for giving an opportunity. And my name is Naveen Bugulu, and I'm from Hyderabad, India. I was a graduate from mechatronics engineering. Then I moved to London for my master's. I did technology management from the University of East London. Then I'm back to India and I started working as a loss adjuster. After a couple of years, I was so excited to do the claims and risk management, but I have curious about what is the other side of the table. I want to learn how the subjects, like how the property underwriting is done. So I joined in insurance company as a property underwriter for 8 years. Then I got an opportunity to move to Oman as a head of claims and risk management. I moved to Oman, and that is during the COVID days, and I started thinking about dreams about I want to open my own company. I started inquiring about the people because there are a lot of opportunities. The world is open for everyone. So I started inquiring about the people. Which place is the safest, which place is the growing place, and where I can start my own business. So most of the people suggested me to come to Dubai. So we moved to Dubai with a lot of dreams, hopes and faith.
Exactly. Yes, from here it was the starting in the Dubai actually.
It is in Dubai. I just landed in Dubai, but in Dubai I worked as an employee for a couple of years because coming to Dubai immediately I cannot start the job. I have to go to the market, how this market works, how the insurance market, especially in this competitive market. So I have done some research for 2 years. Then I started this ADEQUATE Risk Management LLC.
Great. As you mentioned, you had to make your research about the markets, so definitely you will know it's a very competitive market here. So how you make your perfect name inside these competitive markets?
See, this particular market, if we talk about UAE market is highly competitive because it's a globalized market. Not only certain companies, the companies from UK, UAE, everywhere it is there. And the people look at the integrity, quality, and the technical expertise. So these 2 years of my experience, I worked as an employee in a company. What I understand that if we can give the best product and fastest way and the lowest price. So we can crack it. So that led me to open Adequate Risk Management LLC.
So from this starters, of course, you faced a lot of difficulty and the challenges also. So what was the major challenge you faced in the beginning sectors and how you converted to an opportunity of success?
The biggest challenge is converting from employee to an employer is the biggest challenge. Because if I'm an employee of a company, I have a task to do, complete my work, go home and sleep. But when it's become an employer, we have to give an opportunity to the employees. And it is not about how I am doing it, it is about how my team is doing it. Because once we started this Adequate Risk Management LLC and we don't have an office, then what I realized in the 6 months down the line, the market has started recognizing me. When I'm giving a report, the people have started appreciating our reports. Then this led me to open, then I realized I need a system, I need infrastructure, I need a team, technical team. So then I started this, I cannot say it's a challenge, this is an opportunity. For every challenge made me to the more stronger to grow in this market. And I have mentors, like my elder brother 𝗔𝗗𝗘𝗏𝗧𝗘 is there. So I have took his guidance, how to handle many major challenges. So that overcome, and that has become a stepping stone for Adequate Risk Management LLC.
Great. So in this difficult time, we always need a supporter with us. So when you started a new thing and you needed to be success on it, you need some people behind the scenes which give you all the support to continue in your journey. So who was the biggest supporters in your journey, Mr. Naveen?
See, opening a company, biggest support is my family. First is my wife, because she is the direct affected. So before I'm opening a company, I asked her, see, I'm registering a company. This is my dream to open a company. It may take a couple of years to establish and become a brand in the market. But during these days, we may face challenges, maybe financially, maybe in any kind of a things. Are we ready? She said, okay. Then she asked me to check with my mother. Then I spoke to my mother. My brothers, they're always there to support me. So after discussing with my brothers, then they decided that go ahead and you have that capacity, you can start it. So they are my major mentors. 𝗔𝗗𝗘𝗏𝗧𝗘, his name, elder brother. He is the one who is helping me in terms of any kind of a difficulties or the challenges are there, they'll support us. Of course, my friends are there and they're always stand behind whenever any difficult situations are there.
Great. So if we will go to speak a little bit about your successful journey in the business sectors, if you would like to know how and when was the foundations for Adequate and what was the visions behind this great establishment as well.
See, we started as a small, but our vision was very big. So our team, the way we started in the market, that we want to give the best product. It is like an international standard. I want to maintain it because I have seen some reports in the market. There are the simple reports, but my report should speak. My report should evaluate by the insurance companies. So how we started doing the technical analysis and expertise side. Then we started evaluating in different sectors. Technologies played a major role in my things because the most of my competitors are giving a report in 5 days, where I can able to give in 2 days. So I have some collaborations with the technology teams, Simplify, and I have a collaboration with marketing team, GCC, and these team were supporting me in terms of pitching the business and delivering the business. When it comes to my vision, I want to give the the best product, best survey report, and best inspection report, and best valuation report. If you see my team also, all are engineers, and you can see the different sector of engineers. I have a civil engineer, mechanical engineer, electrical engineers. I want to prepare a platform for them to establish their visions also, and I will arranging the training programs on every Saturday from the UK, so that they can also grow not only in terms of a professional and personal life also.
So if we would like to speak more about Adequate Risk Management at the company, the service and the solutions you are provided to the UAE actually. As we see, it's a wide range of service. It's not only risk management, but also insurance. So could you please give us an overview for all the solutions you are provided?
We are professionals. See, we are working with the different sector of clients. I'm privileged to work with the insurance companies. I'm privileged to work with the brokers, and I'm privileged to work with the direct clients, and I'm privileged to work with the banks, where the insurance companies are looking for the risk inspection reports because exclusively they want, before they underwrite the policies, they will look at us how the risk is there. So my report will either the break or make the risk from the insurance companies, and we do the valuation services for the banks and as well as the clients, where they want to understand their value of the properties, so that will help them. So I have privilege to work with major companies in Dubai, and we have a claims consultancy where the many clients they don't know about the insurance. In case of any claim, they don't know how to process the claim, so we will guide them in appropriate way with the transparency, with the integrity, we will support them to settle their claims. And we have one more product called collections and recoveries. We do the B2B. So sitting in Dubai, we are working for Oman clients, we are working for China clients, and we are working for Canada, Toronto clients.
Great, a great achievement. Actually, you already gained us along the way. So you speak before time about the technology, and as you know, nowadays technology, it's been wrapped too much fast. So how are you adapting to the new technology to the company here?
Technology plays the wide range of effectiveness in this market, UAE market. And not only me as adequate risk manager. If you see the UAE also developing, everything is technology based. And yeah, so for us in Adequate Risk Management LLC, we started doing the manual things in initial 6 months or 1 year. Then the market is upgrading. Earlier we used to wait for 4 days, 5 days, 6 days. Now the clients are not waiting. They need a reports in 1 day or 2 days. So we have adapted the collaborations with the technology partners, so who are working on behalf of the market. So we have everything digitalized. So we don't do any manual reports. Our team will go, take the photos, collect the information from there, then and there they'll click it, automatically it will span it. So that I can say that one of the most effective tool in my organization is the technology. So that will change the face of Adequate in the future also.
Great. As you mentioned, you start of answering our questions, you say the UAE, it's always care about the technology. So this country, as you mentioned, it's now defined as a global business hub. How it was supporting to you to have your business here in the UAE, and how the law and the regulations also was supporting to you?
UAE is I can say this is a land of opportunities, and this is a blessed land. Like me, many people are there in the world, a lot of the dreams and hopes, but this land can make your dreams to reality. This I can say. And the systems are very easy. You want to open a company, you want to process license, you want to process anything in digital technology. Everything is a process oriented. You need not to go to the offices, be in a queues and do something. Sit in that wherever you are sitting it, and you can do it from your side. I can say that this is the technology hub across the world. Now, not only earlier we used to see the UK and US, but entire the world is looking towards the UAE. So when it comes to the technology side, I say UAE is the best having process-oriented companies.
So, Mr. Naveen, as a founder and the CEO for Accredited Risk Management, what is the future inspirations and the next goal from now to 5-10 years? We
have a forecast for the next 5 years, and we want to be the #1 player in the GCC market, not only in UAE. So we want to expand our wings to other GCC countries, because we are getting the request from the market, and we want to explore as a team. So now we have a 14 team, just we want to make the team in the bigger size. So on technology side, what we discussed, and we want to make sure that next 5 years we want to be in global leaders in risk management services. So last but never least, Mr. Naveen, we would like to ask you to deliver an advice for the new generations who are freshly graduated and interested in the same field. So please, from your experience, lead them to the right way. For the the next generation, I can say the next people who are coming here, so this is the place, UAE is the best place for the opportunities. And this market is very competitive, and if you have a integrity, discipline, technical knowledge, and you have a faith in this country, it is the best place to work. And I request the people who's having this kind of opportunities you want looking for, this is the best place to come, and we are there to support you in case if anything is required from our side. Thank you. Thank you so much for this inspiring advice for the youth, and also for offering for them this is invitations. So we concluded our episode today by word from heart to heart to all the highness here in the UAE. So what would you like to tell them, please? As my heartfelt gratitude to the Dubai rulers and the UAE rulers, the way they are supporting this country, and like me, many people have dreams to fulfill, and they are making our dreams to come reality. Not only in terms of the dreams, it is one of the safest countries and secure countries in the world. And on behalf of my family, this is my second home, UAE. And I want to thank you so much for the policies and the processes, the designs, the technology, what you are implementing. And on behalf of my families and Adequate Risk Management LLC, thank you so much. Mr. Naveen Bagulu, the founder and the CEO of Educated Risk Management, we would like to thank you too much to allow us to come today and have this wonderful interview with you. It was our pleasure. Thank you. The pleasure is mine. Thank you so much, Hura, and the entire team. Thanks for coming and doing the interview. Thank you, our dear audience, for keep watching. Please wait for us in the next episode by next week. From Palace of Union, this is 𝗔𝗗𝗘𝗤𝗨𝗔𝗧𝗘. Goodbye.